Hi, this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is a close-up look at the latest design in the 2025 Afghan Club. This is the Primrose baby blanket, and I'm using this gorgeous New Zealand merino. This is a DK weight or light worsted weight New Zealand merino. The actual brand is Burnt Hill Yarn Company Vespers 8-ply, and this color that I'm using is actually called Primrose. You can see it's a beautiful knit look texture. It has no holes, so it's really nice for little ones. And of course it's reversible as well. So it's pretty simple to work and easy to memorize. There is a full video demo linked in the pattern, so that's also helpful. And it uses just one basic stitch throughout. So it's very simple. And I'm using a H hook or 5mm hook for the sample. You can try different yarn and hook sizes of choice, and you can also make this blanket to any size. So mine is a generous size cot blanket. Mine's approximately 36 inches by 48 inches. I'm just finishing up the last few skeins and it'll be done. But it's a lovely design and nice weight, a nice warmth as well. So if you'd like to check this one out, I will put links to the pattern and also the Afghan Club in the description box.